Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Gmail in Facebook. To do this, firstly, go to your Facebook. Once opened, go to the menu located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on the Facebook menu page, then you can see the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon. Tap on the settings icon. Then on the top, you may see more on Account Center, which is highlighted in blue. Tap on that. Once the Account Center page opens up, tap on Personal Details. Once you go to Personal Details, then tap on Contact Info. Then below on the blue button, you may see Add New Contact. Tap on that. You are given a choice if you want to add a mobile number or an email. You may tap on Add Email, then add your email address. Once you type down your email address, then you may choose the account for this email. To add this email on my Facebook, I am selecting my Facebook account. Then you may tap on Next. Facebook then sends a confirmation code to the email you have just added. Now go to your Gmail and tap on the new email. Type down the same code sent to you on your email. Once that is typed down, you can tap on Next. Facebook then notifies you that you have successfully added your email to the account selected. Furthermore, if you want to check, you may go to Contact Information to check if there is the new email added or not. You can see that the new email has been added. This is how you can easily add Gmail in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.